So hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Naren and today we will have a look at all the accessories that I've installed on Mavrick 440. Now I had this bike for 2 months and I've installed all the accessories for over a month. I mean, there are a lot of things to look at. So the first accessory is the bar and mirror that I installed from the Hero showroom while taking the bike, and this costed me around 2010 rupees. The next accessory is the tank pad, kit of tank pad. There are 3 pads, 1, 2 and this one. So this costed me around 130 rupees. The next one is Hero seat cover. These are all genuine accessories, so you will get them at a Hero dealership. This costed me around 900 rupees. And the last one is the Hero official backrest. The price of this is 2060. So all the Hero official accessories costed me around 5099 rupees. The other set of accessories which I've installed on my Mavrick 440 is the headlight grille. This is by Legendary Customs. I ordered this from Motomods. The price comes at 1490 rupees and I paid a shipping of 200 rupees on that. Below that we have the 17-inch wheel covers. I got these from Amazon and they costed me around 350 rupees. Right behind that you can see this radiator guard. I got this from Sans Classic Shop. They shipped me all the way from Delhi and this costed me around 750 rupees. Right below that is the Dominar belly pan, and I installed this by connecting it at the base, holding it up by using a wire at the top. It was some jugaad that I used. And right after that, the most costliest piece on my bike is the engine crash guard. This is by BS Accessories. This costed me around 4500 including shipping. Right above that we have the 4x4 HJG 40 watt LED fog lamps. These costed me 3500 including wiring harness and installation. The next one in the list is a shoe stand extender. I got this from 599 from Motomods. And the last on the list is the tire hugger. I got this for around 1200 including installation. So overall all the accessories it costed me around 14,329 rupees plus 5,100 for the official accessories. So that makes a total of 20,000 rupees. Now I will post all the links in the description so that you can check it out. And as always, thanks for watching. So that's the tire hugger. It's a pretty solid build. The entire thing is made up of metal. This is plastic. So you can order this online from Parts on Wheels. They have a shop in Mumbai, Grant Road. Just check their website out. Good collection of crash guards, accessories. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.